Hey there, fellow knitters! Welcome to our silver-reed knitting tutorials. With just some yarn and your machine, the creative possibilities are endless. I'm Jinmao. Today we'll use the AG24 Intarsia carriage to create these relaxing color block patterns. Let's dive right in. Start by extending 60 needles to the D position. Using white yarn, begin with the wrap cast on method, then knit a few foundation rows. Attach your needle comb hammer and insert the AG24. Push the Intarsia carriage. Knit one full row from left to right. Shift needles from B to C position. You'll need 5 colored yarns for this design pattern. Now let's begin Intarsia knitting following the pattern. Position the colored yarns at the machine bed's lower end. As per the pattern, group needles in color blocks of 10 stitches each. At color transitions, push needles to the holding position. Secure yarn within the hook. Arrange yarns per pattern. Knit one row to complete. Cross yarns at color block edges before hanging. This locks the color sections together. Follow these steps with the pattern to continue. Endless yarn changes are Intarsia's biggest headache. When you see all the color blocks fitting together perfectly, that feeling makes it all worthwhile. Keep at it. Here's the result after finishing the second pattern. Keep following the chart with the same Intarsia steps. This is the pattern's last row. Once the pattern's done, switch to white yarn and knit a few plain rows. Bind off and take it off the machine. Here's how the fabric looks fresh off the machine. Do you like how it turned out? Drop a comment and let me know.